Nowadays, hyaluronic acid is most of the pro-wonder ingredient used in most of the formulations like cleansers, moisturizers, toners, and even in shampoos. And in most of the formulations, it is used as a hero ingredient. So your guess is right. Today's topic is all about hyaluronic acid, and I'm Dr. Swati, and welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in skincare, hair care, you should subscribe to my channel. Nowadays, there is a hyaluronic acid much more trending, and you are confused what type of hyaluronic acid is best suited to my skin type. In today's video, I'm going to share all about hyaluronic acid. What is hyaluronic acid? What are the benefits? And correct selection of hyaluronic acid ingredient according to your skin type and concern. And what is the scientific base behind hyaluronic acid? How does it work? So stay tuned till the end of the video, because at the end of the video I will sharing some best, effective and affordable products which contains hyaluronic acid ingredient. So firstly, what is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is naturally produced in our body, such as in the connective tissues of the bones, skin and in the eye. Hyaluronic acid is the sugar molecules which is called it as a polysaccharide. These molecules works as a cushion to connective tissues. Hyaluronic acid attracts and binds to the water molecules so that it penetrates most of the water content and increases the hydration of the skin, so our skin looks very plumpy, soft and hydrated, well moisturized. So why we need hyaluronic acid? Because some factors triggers the hyaluronic acid to produce. The primary factor is age factor. As we age, the hyaluronic acid production decreases. The number second is smoking. Third is alcohol. And fourth is environmental factors such as sun rays, pollution, as well as if there is a hormonal changes in our body. If you have any skin issues like dermatitis, eczema, then it also affects the production of hyaluronic acid. So what is the scientific base behind hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid works according to their molecular weight and size. The lower molecular weight hyaluronic acid works well and penetrates deeper to your skin and works magical towards your skin, which gives hydrated and moisturized skin, and the effect is also long lasting. But the higher molecular weight hyaluronic acid works only to the superficial layer of the skin, and the effect is also not long lasting. Next important point is, what is the surprising benefits of hyaluronic acid? For example, when you use hyaluronic acid up to the 2%, then it gives very beneficial effects to your skin. Not only 2%, but the product containing hyaluronic acid, it gives benefits like moisturizing, skin regeneration. The number one and most important benefit is it gives hydrating and moisturizing effect to your skin. Why we need the moisturizing of skin? Because according to age, the hyaluronic acid production decreases, and if we don't moisturize our skin, then there is a signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines, sagging of skin. Dry skin, when not moisturized, then it leads to the skin issues like dermatitis, eczema. Oily skin is also needs moisturizing. It gives cell regeneration, skin rejuvenation, and skin tightening effect, and as well as it plumps up your skin, gives you the radiant effect. When you use hyaluronic acid up to the 3 days, then it slowly reduces the fine lines and wrinkles and works as the best anti-aging. Also increases the skin elasticity and prevents the transepidermal water loss. What is the transepidermal water loss? In the hot region, there is an evaporation of water from your skin. When you exercise, there is also a water loss. So, hyaluronic acid prevents this trans-epidermal water loss. Hyaluronic acid used to treat the dry eye condition. It is also used in arthritis, some respiratory diseases. This type of hyaluronic acid and how to choose the correct type of hyaluronic acid according to your skin type and concern. There are mainly three hyaluronic acid types. First is hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. The second is sodium hyaluronate. And the third is sodium acetylated hyaluronate. The first is hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which when used, it broken down into the smaller elements and which penetrates superficial layer of your skin, which gives you the moisturizing effect, but not up to the best for dry skin, which is best suited to the people who is having oily or combination skin type, because it not give that much moisturizing effect to your skin. Oily skin type people who is already having their oil production, because of this your skin is moisturized. So if you don't want to over moisturize your skin, then you use this type of hyaluronic acid ingredient, that is hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. The second is sodium hyaluronate. This type of hyaluronic acid ingredient is suited to the very dry skin or dry to normal skin, because this type of hyaluronic acid penetrates deeper into the skin and gives very moisturizing effect, which gives long lasting effect as compared to the first one, which is hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. The third is sodium acetylated hyaluronate. The effect is as similar as sodium hyaluronate, but there is a smaller difference in between sodium hyaluronate and the sodium acetylated hyaluronate. Is the sodium hyaluronate is less penetrated and less long lasting as compared to the sodium acetyl hyaluronic. So this type is very best suited to the dry skin or the people who live in the very dry climate region. This type of hyaluronic acid is very effective in anti-aging procedure. Your skin very young and beautiful, then this type of hyaluronic acid is very good to use. So the next is, how can I use the hyaluronic acid? There are many ways you can take hyaluronic acid. The number one is oral intake. You can use the hyaluronic acid pills or supplement, but these ways I am going to tell is only used under the guidance of your health expert. The number second is, you can use the topical applications. There is so many products nowadays containing hyaluronic acid, such as cleansers, moisturizers, creams, gels, even in masks and shampoos also containing hyaluronic acid. Other than skin, if you have concern about dry eye, then there is eye drops are also available. Remember, you can use this under the supervision of your health expert. And the most important part is, it is used in cosmetic procedures, in anti-aging. We can use it as a filler, which is injectables containing hyaluronic acid. Patients who is having concerns of eczema, dermatitis, even there is a patient who is having acne scars, or this is used it as a plumper for your plumpy, smooth and beautiful lips. The hyaluronic acid also used as an inhaler or nebulizer, which is used in treating the patients who is having concern of respiratory diseases. So this is all about hyaluronic acid. End of the video, I will be recommending some best effective and affordable products. Those products are, the number one is,
this is Conscious Chemist Hydro Plus Multi Hyaluronic Gel Cream, which is at very affordable price, that is 359. It contains ceramides and the pea extract and winter cherry extract. The next is The Dermaco, there is face moisturizer which contains ceramide plus hyaluronic acid. It calms irritated skin, locks the moisture, and treats acne and pigmentation. The Dermaco, again there is vitamin C serum which contains hyaluronic acid. Cost around 5.99. The next is Biotech Advanced Organics Vitamin E and Hyaluronic Acid Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, which costs only 247.
So I hope this video is very informative and educational. So share this video to educate your loved ones, friends and relatives. Stay tuned till the next video, and if you are interested in skincare and hair care topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell